Thank you so much for this opportunity to speak with you today. My name is Andrea Wotan, and I am a member of the Rotary Club of Ann Arbor North in Michigan, District 6380. I'm also a member of the Plant Rich Diet Task Force under the Environmental Sustainability Rotary Action Group, or SRAG. Today, I'm here to invite all of you to a very special one-of-a-kind challenge that our team has organized for you. It's called the Global 15-Day Plant Rich Diet Challenge. And before telling you more about it, I'd like to share with you why we chose to organize this 15-day long event for Rotarians and the public from around the world. As you may know, industrialized agriculture is a key contributor to global environmental degradation. Our mission is to inspire people around the globe to adopt a diet that will reduce their carbon footprint, promote global environmental sustainability, and improve human health. And that diet is a plant-rich diet. We envision a world where Rotarians are leading this global food system transformation to protect and preserve our planet. Research shows that industrialized animal agriculture, including commercial fishing, is a leading cause of all of the planetary emergencies listed on this slide. Let's explore a couple of these issues. This chart shows us that consuming animal-based foods uses up far more of Earth's resources and is more harmful to our climate than consuming plant foods. Per every ton of protein consumed of each of these foods, producing animal-based foods, which are on the right, uses far more land, which is the green bar, more water, which is the blue bar, and generates substantially more greenhouse gas emissions, which is the orange bar, than producing plant foods, which are on the left. Regarding land use, the global livestock sector uses 83% of the entire world's agricultural land to graze livestock animals and to grow crops to feed the estimated 70 billion land animals that we eat every year. And when it comes to water, growing over 1 billion tons of animal feed every year to raise livestock is putting significant stress on the world's freshwater resources. As for greenhouse gas emissions, producing chicken and pork emits about 3 times more greenhouse gases per unit of edible protein than producing legumes, and producing beef emits about 20 times more greenhouse gases. Now let's turn to deforestation. Planting trees or reforestation is critical to addressing climate change. However, preventing deforestation of existing forests is even more important because intact ecosystems absorb more carbon from our atmosphere than do new forests. Unfortunately, animal agriculture has become the #1 driver of tropical deforestation. Natural habitats around the globe are being burned and cleared for cattle ranching and to grow livestock feed. Tragically, this habitat destruction is decimating populations of wild animals. According to World Resources Institute, reducing consumption of animal-based foods among the world's wealthier populations could free up significant amounts of land, possibly enabling the world to feed 10 billion people in 2050 without agriculture further expanding into forests. Our oceans are also in big trouble. The average person now eats almost twice as much seafood as they did 50 years ago. It's estimated that we're pulling over 1 trillion fish out of our oceans every single year, and 94% of our ocean fisheries are now overfished or maximally fished. And populations of creatures like dolphins, sea turtles, whales, sharks, and rays are plummeting, with some under threat of extinction since they get caught in fishing nets, on fishing hooks, or are killed on the decks of fishing vessels. There is a simple, fast solution to all of this, and that is plant-rich diets. World Resources Institute tells us that if the 2 billion of us high consumers cut our meat and dairy consumption by just 40%, we can save an area of land twice the size of India from being destroyed and avoid 168 billion tons of future greenhouse gas emissions. Now, here are some relatively easy dietary changes that can yield big environmental results. Go meatless 1 day a week. Make just 1 meal a day, 100% plant-based. Swap out cow's milk for a non-dairy milk like soy or oat, or simply eat a plant-rich or plant-based meal whenever you can. And plant-rich diets are scientifically proven to lower the risk of chronic disease. Forks Over Knives is a great documentary about the impact of diet on health. We all share one common home. So let's come together to restore our planet starting today by eating more plants and fewer animal products. If you'd like to experiment with a plant-rich diet, please join us for our 15-day global challenge starting October 1st. We're going to have a lot of fun offering recipes, cooking demos, live Q&A sessions, and a fantastic speaker series. Thanks, and we hope to see you in the challenge.